Are you looking for the perfect punch for spring? Well, today we are making a delicious spring fever punch that is so easy to make and great for those springtime parties. My name is Aliana and welcome to my kitchen. So to start making my punch, I have my pitcher, and to that I'm just going to add in 1 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. We're getting our vitamin C here. Next, I'm adding in my simple syrup. So for this drink, I like using a honey simple syrup. You can use a regular one too, but I think honey adds a really nice flavor to this drink. To make our honey simple syrup, all I did was take 1 cup of honey along with 1 cup of water, and I let it simmer for about 10 minutes until the honey had really dissolved into the water. Then I let it cool completely, and I kept this in my fridge overnight. I think it's great to make this the day before because when you're having a party, you don't want to have a million things on your plate. So this is a great thing that you can make in advance, keep it in your fridge, and use it for even more cocktails. And I'm adding a 3/4 cup. Next, I'm going to be adding in 1.5 cups of my Empress Gin. But of course, you don't have to use this gin. You can use any gin of your liking or even vodka. It's totally up to you. Next, I'm going to add in my Grapefruit Soda. I really like this brand. It's from Trader Joe's. And I'm going to add in 6 cups of my Grapefruit Soda. Now I'm just going to give this a stir so that everything is combined. And I love adding fresh fruit to a punch, so I'm adding some lemon slices as well as some sumo orange slices. And when you pour your cocktail into your glass, I like to save a nice inch at the top to add a little topper of our Empress Gin because this provides such a beautiful color. As pretty as it is, I do have to stir it all together because I don't want just straight gin, especially not at like 1 p.m. Wow, that is so good. It's perfectly sweet. You definitely get the notes of honey in there, and that Empress Gin adds such a botanical flavor to this drink. It is one of my favorite drinks for spring because it's so refreshing. I'm actually taking this to my girlfriend's 25th birthday party because we're doing a little pool shindig, so we're gonna be sipping this poolside. So if you guys also want a single serving of this drink, not a whole punch, the video will be right here or over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Cheers!